Hey, Daniel Doherty here, aka Goatberry Jam. Here with the next part of my Clawhammer, Ukulele, and Banjolele tutorial. Basic right-hand stuff. If you didn't see the previous video, you may want to go back and check that one out first. It deals with the eighth note rhythm. But you could also start with this rhythm, the bum-ditty, or as I call it, the fiddle shuffle. Alright, and once again, I'm in this sort of funky tuning for a banjolele or a ukulele. This is gAEa, and it gives a Mixolydian feel, kind of a mysterious vibe to the tunes I come up with on this. You can use any tuning you want. You can use standard ukulele tuning. The tuning of the instrument does not matter for what we are working on today. I encourage you to explore and find your own fun tunings. Alright, so we've already practiced hitting this string, which is the key first step. Now this bum-ditty motion is a series of 3 string attacks that come together in a fluid motion. Bum-ditty, bum-ditty. So first, you need to master hitting one string with your index finger. As I said in the previous video, you could use your middle finger. A lot of people like to, but you will find more accuracy with your index finger once you get comfortable with it. You should practice hitting the string just like this. I'm not anchored on this drum head. My arm is here on this armrest, but my wrist is floating and free. You need to be able to consistently hit that string. Consistently hit it with good tone and on time. A metronome always helps with everything. If you've already done the first video, then you've already probably got this part down. Now, what we're doing is we're adding a new motion. So we hit, and then we brush the strings. Notice when I brush the strings, then I bring my thumb to rest on this top string. Just like in the previous video, right? The motion puts us in position for the next motion. When setting your thumb down, it's not a ton of pressure. It's not a ton of pressure. It's just let gravity put it there. Practice this motion first. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then add the pull off. 1 and a bum-ditty, 1 and a bum-ditty. Alright, and that's your basic bum-ditty. Once you have both of these rhythms going and you can comfortably do them, you want to practice getting in and out of them, switching between them. Three and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. very important when you do this that you count out loud. Once you're comfortable with your bum ditty, you can start getting a little bit fancier. I like to add a pull off to it that gives a sense of motion. So see what my left hand does? I pull off. Feel free to explore other notes. Find notes that you like. Find notes that sound good. Exploring is a huge part of this. My method here does not teach you through learning tunes. It will teach you to make up your own tunes and figure out tunes in a way that use your newfound rhythmic sensibilities.